Welcome to Texarkana College. Let's go check out welding technology. As we walk into the shop here, you see kind of an overview of everything going on. This side of the booth here, we have a student working with the MIG machine. They're practicing and honing their skills in the first semester and welding on coupons. As we walk over here, we have a total of 20 different welding booths in this side of the shop. Here you see students practicing with their second semester skills and honing those. We have students here working with the track torch. They're working, preparing welding coupons and getting them ready for weld test. As we walk into the back shop here, this is a recently renovated area. You can see we have students practicing here. We also have our CNC machine here that is a plasma cutter. Students practice and hone their skills on programming and cutting out different metal designs. As we walk back here, we have our third semester students practicing TIG welds. They are honing their skills before they get ready to go work in the field. The welding technology certificate is 3 semesters long, but it can lead to an associate's degree. Now that you've seen an overview of Texarkana College Welding Department, we'd love for you to schedule a tour and get started today.